Hello to all and a very warm welcome to the Edu Station. Today we are going to learn one amazing Vedic math trick with your teachers Shrishti ma'am. So I hope that you all are excited to learn this with me. So let's get started and let's have fun learning. So what are we learning, everyone? We are going to learn about the fast addition of 10 numbers altogether. So let's quickly have a look on our topic, what we are learning today. So we are going to learn the smart addition with 10 consecutive numbers. So what are consecutive numbers, you all must be wondering. So let's quickly understand that what are consecutive numbers. The numbers that follow each other continuously in order from smallest to largest are called as the consecutive numbers. Please tell me one thing. You all have got a family, right? So when you go out, how do you follow each other? It's mostly the father, the mother, or the kid, or it's like mother, father, and the kid. Okay. Similarly, the numbers have also got the family. They also move from smallest to largest. In the family also we move from smallest to largest. Similarly, the number family also move from smallest to largest, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the example of consecutive numbers. Now, is it like it will be always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? The answer is no. It can be 100, 101, 102. It can be 54, 55, 56, 57. So today we are going to learn to add such numbers superbly fast by using the Vedic trick. So I hope that you all are excited to learn this trick with me. So everyone, please tell me, how much time will you all be taking to add these numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I believe that it will be taking a lot of time because you will be doing 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 plus 7 is 28. Like this you all will be adding. And it is so time consuming. So let's see that how can we do it superbly fast. So please follow these steps with me on this journey. So here is the step number 1. Select the fifth number from the left. So you are supposed to pick up the fifth number. So here it's very clear the fifth number is going to be 5. So this was the step number 1. What you have to do? Pick up the fifth number. Now what is the step number 2? When you pick up the fifth number, at the end of this fifth number, you are supposed to put 5. And what answer you all will be getting? You will be getting the answer as 55. How you are getting 55? You are picking up the fifth number and then putting 5 in the end. So when you will be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You all can try this on calculator. You all will be getting this answer only. So let's check this trick with one more question. So this time we have the numbers 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So can you all see that these all are also the consecutive numbers. They are following each other. But the condition is there should be 10 numbers which we are adding and they should be consecutive. And what are the steps? The step number 1, pick up the fifth number. So here the fifth number is 26. Now what you are supposed to do? Very nice. You are supposed to put 5 at the end. And what answer you all will be getting? You will be getting the answer as 265. So let me just quickly write down this answer for all of you all. So our fifth number was 26 and we have to put 5 in the end and our answer is absolutely done. So you all can try this on calculator by adding 22, 23, 24. Are you getting the same answer or not? So that you all can verify the trick. Now with this, I have got few practice questions for you all. So let's quickly try each one of them one by one. So the very first one is 48, 49, 50. I hope that you all are watching this very carefully, that we have the consecutive numbers and we have the 10 numbers. So what is the fifth number here? When we talk about the very first question, which is 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So this is the first number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number. So the fifth number is 52 and we are supposed to put 5 in the end and our answer is done in few seconds. Now let's quickly try the second one. Let's see that how fast we all can be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth number is 102, and just put 5 in the end and your answer is done, which is 1025. Now let's try the third one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth number is 459, and you have to put 5 in the end and your answer is done. Okay, you would have imagined adding all these numbers so fast, and I believe that most of you all would be saying no only. So now you all can add up the 10 consecutive numbers very fast, and you all can verify the answers. They are as 525, 1025 and 4595. Now students, I have got one practice question for you all in homework. What you all have to do, you all have to find the answer to this question and comment down the answer in the comment box. And I hope that you all enjoyed learning this trick with me. And if you all enjoyed learning this trick with me, so what you all are supposed to do? You all are supposed to subscribe my YouTube channel, which is The EduStation, and don't forget to share it with your friends, okay? And do like the video, okay? Because your likes do matter to me. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and hope to see you all in the next video as well.